bang iniintay ng Senado? Bakit dinidribble clearly itong impeachment trial? Bakit ayaw pang simulan? Ano bang basa ninyo?
Well, Christian, I don't want to create any intrigue, especially with our Senate President. So I will accept his publicly stated reason. And the reason is that full ang plate namin for the legislation that we need to pass, or we are trying to pass, or the administration has requested us to pass. Pero syempre ako nga, ang sabi ko nga, if you look at the spirit in the Senate impeachment rules itself, and then if you look at the forthwith mandate in the Constitution, in case of a scheduling difficulty, kunyari talagang ano na talaga yung oras, no? Kulang na sa oras at masikip, mahirap makahanap ng oras, ang nakukuha ko kasing signal from the Constitution and our rules is that you choose first impeachment over legislative business. Okay? Kasi in an impeachment proceeding, there is also a high-ranking government official who is affected by the impeachment proceeding. So that person also wants to know, am I convicted? Am I acquitted? So I can now go on with my function in government. So dapat sa lalong madaling panahon, tapusin na yung impeachment.
Okay. Pero oras pa talaga yung problema? Or kung gugustuhin ng Senado, kayang ikalendaryo at isagawa yung impeachment trial?
Yun ang publicly stated reason na maraming legislative work. Pero ang point ko nga, the original impeachment calendar devised by the Senate President indicated June 2 as the date when the prosecutors will read the articles, and then June 3 morning as the time that the court, the Senate will be convened as an impeachment court. Actually, pwedeng gawin bukas. Wala kami schedule bukas umaga.
Talaga?
Pero hindi. Wala naman schedule bukas umaga. Siguro yung CA meron, pero I think you can accommodate 2 hours. You can spare 2 hours. At saka between CA and Senate, ang CA naman, wala namang, ang CA, Commission on Appointments yung CA, hindi naman mini-mention yan sa Article 11 sa Accountability of Public Officers. So, Senate ang nakabanggit doon. So, the Senate Senate work and the impeachment must be more important than the confirmation work of the Commission on Appointments.
So, ano bang napagkasunduan kanina? Kasi diba binaring up niya yung issue na kung wala namang schedule bukas, diba pwede namang gawin talaga?
Wala hindi nagawa yung step 1 Ang step 1 sa reading ni Senate President of our rules, both rules as legislative body and rules as impeachment court, ang reading niya, the first step or understanding ng Senate President, the first step is the reading by the House prosecutors of the articles of impeachment before the Senate as a legislative body. Di sabihin natin, sila surrender na kami dyan surrender na kami sa interpretation mo. Sana ginawa na namin kanina. Ang gagawin pa namin yun sa June 11. So, step 1 yun. Step 2 is the convening of the Senate as the impeachment court. So, pag ginawa namin sa June 11 yung step 1, ang tanong ko nga, when shall we do step 2? June 12, holiday.
Correct. Isa rin sa mga pinagdebatehan kanina, ang nakadebate nyo rito si Senator Francis Tolentino, yung issue ng pagtawid ng impeachment trial from the 19th to the 20th Congress. Ano po ba yung talagang malinaw na rito? School of thought. Pwede po bang tumawid?
Ako, para matulungan ako to answer the issue, ang aking, para malinaw sa mind ko, ang ginagamit kong analogy would be the court system. Kasi the Senate will look like and act like and even sound like a court during an impeachment proceeding. pag manunod tayo, makikinig tayo, ang maaalala natin, oy, parang korte ang Senado. So, ang gamitin nating analogy, ang court system. Ang korte, ang korte na collegial body, anong example? Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, Sandigan Bayan, Court of Tax Appeals. Kuminsan, kadalasan yung mga division dyan sa Court of Appeals, Sandigan Bayan at Court of Tax Appeals, 3 membro. Siyempre, merong nagre-retire, merong gumagalaw ang membership. So kahit nagbabago ang membership ng ating mga collegial courts, yung workload ay hindi.
Kanina kasi, ano ba yung mga dapat masatisfy? Ito po yung isang option. No? Kunwari, hindi nasimulan yung trial during the 19th Congress. Pwede po bang magkaroon ng impeachment trial sa 20th Congress using the articles of impeachment sent to the Senate in the previous Congress?
Of course, my position is pwede. Kasi ang treatment ko sa Senate, when the Senate receives impeachment matters, it is being sent to the Senate because it is the impeachment court. It's not being sent to the Senate because it is the second half of a legislative body. But why do I say that? Look at Article 11. Doon nga ang Senado as a legislative body, Article 6 yan. Ang House as a legislative body, Article 6 ng Constitution. Pero pagdating sa impeachment, yung role ng House nandun sa Article 11. Ang role ng Senate nasa Article 11. So consciously, yung sumulat ng ating Constitution na inaprobahan naman natin mga taong bayan, ay gano'n ang ginawa nila. Sineparate talaga nila. So, House of Representatives and Senate, when you act as a legislative body, you are called the Congress. Article 6 ang rules ninyo. Pagdating sa accountability ng public officers, meron kayong gustong panagutin sa misbehavior or criminal behavior or unfitness to remain in office, pinili ng sumulat ng Constitution, o sige, House of Representatives, ikaw mag-umpisa, Senate of the Philippines, ikaw magtapos ng trial. Pero hindi kayo legislative body. So, ganyan, that's how I resolve the issue, Christian. Kaya, kasi marami kasing fixated o nakafocus sila na ay back to zero ang work ng Congress pagka nag-end na ang term ng members. Pero ano yun? You're limiting yourself to the House of Representatives and the Senate as a legislative body. So Article 6 ka mag-isip. Pero impeachment kasi ito pinag-usapan. Kaya sabi ko, free your mind. Huwag tayong ma-hostage ng Article 6 na Legislative Department. Article 11 po ito ng Constitution. Accountability of public officers, impeachment. So iba rules doon. Kaya nga, tuwing sinasabi sa akin na lahat ng bills na resolutions back to zero, di ganun din ang impeachment. Hindi nga. Is Article 6 na thinking yung back to zero. O Article 11 thinking po tayo. At ang the best nating gawing example, yung mga korte kung naka-file na, may docket number na, case number 01-2025, kahit nag-retire ang mga ibang justices or napalitan ng ibang justices, yung umupong bagong justice, yun pa rin yung caseload niya. Andun pa rin si case number 01-2025.